In this session, we will learn the output of this program where I have used a set and I have used two methods of set, the add and the update. And in both, I am passing a string literal called as Sikander as an argument. And I would like to know what will be the length of S. So let's begin by visualizing this. First statement will basically create a set object. Yeah, I'm using the set function to create a set, empty set, because empty flower braces would create an empty dictionary instead of creating a set. Now the next statement, I'm using it as add. So in list, we have append, which will add an element at the end, whereas in a set, we have a method called as add, which will take one element and add that as one element in a set. Remember, set is a collection of unique elements. And this Sikander, the entire string is considered as one element and that will be added to the set. We can just observe the Sikander is added out here. Now, update, it is similar to extend what you use in list. It will take an iterable object and string is an iterable object. So in this particular case, it will not treat that entire Sikander as one element. It's going to treat this iterable object and then it's going to access every element of the string, that is each character S, I, K as one element. And then since I don't have any duplicate characters, everything will be added as one element out here. And also remember, this is an unordered set, meaning we cannot guarantee the order in which the elements will be added. Unlike a set of C++ where it is ordered, or a tree set of Java which is ordered, Python set basically uses hashing, which is unordered. Now, the length of this is total number of elements here. The total number of elements out here is 9. So it's going to give me as 9 elements. So I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.